Welcome back, YouTube. I'm so glad you had a second to stop back by again. So on today's episode of Blue Upgrades, we are going to be installing here, that's right, a glove compartment box. All right, so you want to go ahead and get that know-how on this to-do on installing a glove compartment box, I guess, in your F-Series dent side trucks. Look no further and stick around. All right, so here's the actual glove box. Here's the part number through lmctruck.com. That's the actual glove box here. These are the 6 screws that'll actually be holding it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. All the trucks, like I mentioned before, they all have the standard wiring installed. So there is a power source wire already in there. So I'll show you how we're going to be hooking this up to that, adding this light bulb here, and now I'll have a glove compartment light. So here is the part number to the screws, part number to the light switch for the glove compartment, and that is a light bulb. All right, let's get started. All right, so everything seemed to work out awesome on the glove box here. Let me go ahead and give you a quick demo. So open it up, and there's light. Off, on. So the glove box was a little tricky, considering that it is like a cardboard type material. You almost have to kind of manipulate it a little bit and fold it to kind of set it inside the cubby. It came with, I got 6 screws because the box actually has 2 here, 2 up top and 2 on the right. But as you see, my truck did not have the screw holes here where it would actually go. Also too, on my light, like I showed you or mentioned also in the prior vid, that there's a pre-wired constant wire that is specifically for this option when you buy these trucks. Well, I'm not sure if it just didn't have it or what, but once you install the light, and this part right here, this metal tab, I want to say acts as a ground when it touches this metal, because it does not come on until this metal touches here. Well, mine had a little play, and it took some finagling, so I ended up putting a spacer here that actually allowed this dial to come out some, so when my lid of the glove compartment closes, it would shut it off. What was happening is that it would not. So let me show you. See if we can see in this hole there, and it's out. Open again and back on, out. So that's what I was having problems with. So if you guys are facing the same thing, if you guys get your glove compartment box and light, this remedy definitely helps. So I definitely recommend that. The light is pretty bright. I haven't had a chance to come out here in the dark. I went ahead and threw my insurance and some other vital information that I keep in my truck in there just as a demo, but the room here is pretty good. I would say a good 1 foot cubic space of room for personal stuff. You can put some gloves in there too, some tools, whatnot. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this demo here. These holes in the top of the glove compartment, that they're already pre-punched, and that's just to help you manipulate the box as you go to insert it. And as you see, the box will go around the lip from the inside. The box does not sit on top, but underneath. But yeah, guys, I'm glad you got a chance to follow along. Thanks for tuning in on this how to install a glove box and light in your F-Series trucks. Like always, subscribe, like, comment, and until next time, guys, God bless.